Welcome to VNDLY, Next Generation Sales and Inventory Management. Let's get you set up. Click Get Started and you'll land on the sign-up page. Enter your company name. Choose a plan. We'll go with Starter for now. Add your email address. Set a password and hit Create Account. You'll get a confirmation email. Verify it, enter your password, and sign in. This is the setup wizard. 4 quick steps. Start with your company name and country. Select your country from the drop-down. You can scroll or search. Once you pick a country, currency and tax rate autofill. The US defaults to 0 since sales tax varies by state. Upload your company logo. Just click and pick the file. Looking good. Logo's in. Hit Continue. Step 2. Business details. Fill in your street address and city, state, and zip code. Add your contact email, phone number, and tax ID if you have one. Step 3 is Preferences. Choose your measurement system, metric or imperial. We'll go with imperial for this US-based company, pounds and inches. Step 4, just a summary of everything you've entered. Review it and you're done. Click Go to Dashboard to enter your workspace. And we're in. Let's take a quick look at settings first. Here's your company profile. Everything you entered during onboarding is already here. You can edit any of it anytime. Update your website, legal name, whatever you need. Regional settings are auto-configured based on your country and state. Locale, time zone, currency, all set. Display settings let you show product images, online items, and enable localized PDFs for multiple languages. Toggle on product images if you want them on your sales orders and invoices. Planning defaults control your reorder logic. Lead times, safety stock, service levels. Set your default tax rate, enable low stock email alerts, and customize your document numbering. Each document type gets its own prefix and starting number. Invoices, sales orders, purchase orders. Scroll down and you'll find the business profile. This helps VNDLY's AI understand your business. Describe what you sell, your price range, your target customers, and geographic focus. The AI assistant uses this context for smarter insights. Now let's connect an AI provider. Under AI providers, paste your API key. VNDLY supports OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google Gemini. All keys are encrypted. Click Connect and it'll verify your key automatically. OpenAI is connected. You can add more providers. Just paste the key and connect. Next up, email providers. VNDLY supports Resend, Brevo, SendGrid, Mailgun, and more. Enter your API key and from address. Set your sender email and hit Connect. Resend is now your active email provider. Over to the Team tab. You can see yourself as the owner. Click Invite Member to add someone. Enter their email, name and role. Then set their module access. Check exactly which areas they can see. You have full control over every module. Dashboard, products, orders, inventory, the works. Leave settings unchecked for non-admins. Hit Send Invitation. Done. They'll get an email to join your workspace. Let's check out integrations. Connect your e-commerce platforms, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Squarespace, accounting integrations for Xero, Fortnox, Visma, and QuickBooks, plus EasyPost for shipping with 100+ carriers. All integrations are one-click OAuth or simple API key setups. Finally, the billing page. You start with a 14-day free trial, no credit card needed. 3 plans, starter at $49, professional at $149, and enterprise at $349 per month. Pick what fits your business. Upgrade anytime. That's your VNDLY setup. Done in minutes. Start adding products, and you're ready to go.